How to wear a Latex Maxi outfit with grace. The secret to wearing Latex Maxi outfit isn't confidence alone, it's sophistication. Elegant mature women understand that latex is already a statement and the goal isn't to add more attention. It's to create a graceful and sophisticated look. Dearest fashion lovers, a refined latex maxi outfit is often featured clean lines, a modest neckline, and a flattering fit that enhance presence without overpowering it. Confidence is always speaks first. So try to look confident and pose comfortable. Latex can be graceful if styled correctly. The most stylish women don't rely on trends, they rely on posture, confidence, and timeless elegance. Dearest beauties, always remember that sophistication comes from what you pair with it. A tailored coat, structured handbag, and a classic footwear instantly elevate the entire look. True sophistication isn't about what you wear, it's about how you carry yourself while wearing it. If you like it, follow for more fashion guide.